How to open a real account on Exness. So to do this, of course, you're gonna have to have access to either the website, I suppose, but it's much better to do this in the app and also much easier. So to get your Exness, of course, you're gonna have to download it first in your Play Store, search for Exness, and then just go ahead and install and open it up. Then you should be able to see the register option in the top section. What you're gonna have to do is just press on register. So first, you're going to choose your residence. So basically from wherever you are. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and check this if it suits you. I mean, if it fits you, you declare and confirm that you are not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. Then just go ahead and continue. If you have a partner code, then you can place that as well. But the next part is to use an email to sign into Exness, and then a password after putting in the email, of course. Set yourself a PIN code. And finally, the last thing you're gonna have to do is verification. So in this part, you're gonna have to confirm your email and phone number, verify your identity, which they will tell you how to do, and verify your residential address. Once you do that, you will have a verified and very much a real account in Exness. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.